What is the Singapore Klook Pass? The Singapore Klook Pass is a convenient, money-saving option designed for travelers looking to experience multiple attractions in Singapore. It allows access to various top-rated activities and sites in one bundle, offering flexibility and significant cost savings. How does it work? With the Singapore Klook Pass, you can choose a package that includes 2 to 10 attractions from a selection of popular activities. Once you purchased your preferred pass based on the number of attractions, remember to make a reservation for your attraction before going down, as some popular activities sell out quickly. Once reservation has been made on the Klook app or website, you will receive a voucher for that chosen attraction. Once you reach the attraction, you will simply present the digital voucher for entry, making the process smooth and hassle-free. Activation and usage validity. Once you purchase your pass, you will have up to 15 days to activate your pass, and another 30 days upon activation to visit all attractions, giving you the flexibility to pick and choose, depending on when and where you would like to go during your trip. And visits can be applied on different days within the usage validity period. Pros and cons. The pros. 1. Cost savings. Bundling multiple attractions can save you money compared to buying individual tickets. 2. Flexibility. The pass offers flexibility in choosing which attractions to visit. 3. Convenience. Skip the ticket lines and directly enter attractions with your pass. 4. Instant confirmation. Receive instant confirmation upon booking, allowing for last-minute plans. 5. Choose later. Buy the pass conveniently on the app and enjoy the freedom of confirming your choices later. The cons. 1. Limited selection. The pass is only valid for a curated list of attractions, which might limit options if you have specific sites in mind. But currently, it provides up to 30 or more selections for you to choose from, and that's quite a lot. But attractions are subject to changes. Please check the app or website for any updates. 2. Expiration. The pass must be used within a set period, but it is more than enough when you have 30 days upon activation. 3. Non-refundable. Once purchased, you'll only get a full refund if your pass wasn't activated and hasn't expired. Top attractions include Universal Studios Singapore, Singapore Zoo with Tram Ride, River Wonders Singapore, Night Safari Singapore with Tram Ride, and Bird Paradise. Gardens by the Bay, Cloud Forest and Flower Dome. Marina Bay Sands Sky Park Observation Deck. Singapore Flyer. Jewel Changi Airport Attraction. Adventure Cove Water Park. Wild Wild Wet. Long Bar at Raffles Hotel. Museum of Ice Cream Singapore. And Singapore River Cruise. How to get the pass. 1. Purchase it online. You can buy your pass through the Klook website or app, and the links are in the below description. 2. Receive instant confirmation. Get your pass details immediately upon purchase. 3. Make your reservation. Remember to make reservation for your chosen attraction, as some popular activities or attractions will sell out quickly. 4. Show it at attractions. Use your pass attraction voucher directly at the entrance of your chosen attractions. Important thing to take note. 1. You need to reserve before visiting the attractions. Don't forget to reserve in advance, as some popular attractions might have limited inventory. 2. Limited to 1 use per attraction. 3. Tickets are limited and subject to a first-come first-served basis. 4. Activation of the pass is 15 days, and the usage of the voucher is valid for 30 days from the redemption or activation date. And it expires at 23:59 on the last day. 5. 2 attractions are premium choices only. They are Universal Studios Singapore and Gardens by the Bay ticket that cover the Cloud Forest and Flower Dome, plus Impressions of Monet the Experience. The pass type selections don't cover these 2 attractions. You have the option to add them to your pass with additional cost. What you can do before purchasing the pass. 1. Go through all the 30+ attractions, whether those attractions are within your itinerary. 2. Add up all the attractions prices that you intend to visit. 3. Compare it with the pass prices, and if the total is more than the pass price, that's great. 4. If it's lesser than the pass, then you will need to consider whether the ease of reserving from just one platform can overcome the price difference, or consider reselecting some of the attractions to offset the price. 5. You can determine which is the priority, the price, or ease of reservation. The Singapore Klook Pass is an excellent option for travelers who want to maximize their experience in Singapore, while saving money and time. Whether you are visiting iconic attractions or discovering hidden gems, this pass provides a flexible and economical way to explore the city. For more details, and to purchase the Singapore Klook Pass, you can refer to the links in the below descriptions. Click here for more videos regarding essential information about your trip to Singapore. Thank you for staying to the end.